Hi guys, we received these binoculars for reviewing purposes, and I think they are really nice because they have a 8 times magnification with a 25 millimeters diameter, okay, which I think it's really nice. Okay, we're gonna take them out of the box, and they've come inside this plastic bag with this travel bag, which I think it's really nice. Okay, they have in here the instruction manuals, which I think they are nice. Inside this bag that uses this kind of like zipper to open, we have the proper binoculars, okay, and on this side we have a cloth to clean it, which I think it's really nice. Okay, this is the main unit. That you can see it's really compact, which I think it's nice. I'm gonna take off my glasses. They are really nice. You can adjust this part, which I think it's nice. Okay, depending of what you need, you can make all the proper adjustments, which I find nice. Okay, I'm gonna place it right here. You also get this strap. Okay, that way you can just have it hanging around our neck because it's really comfortable. Okay, and it's really nice. Okay, and just use them regularly, and if you aren't gonna use it whatever it, you can just hang it around, and this other cord for the travel bag. Okay, and now it's ready. You can take it with you wherever you need. So let's go ahead and step outside and test them on. Come on. Okay, so right now what I'm trying to do is the camera focus through the binoculars so we can see how clearly the image looks. Okay, which I think it's really nice. It has an amazing zoom and it looks clearly. Okay guys, now I'm outside already and I'm gonna test them out. Okay, you can make all the adjustments that you need so you can see clearly. Makes the focus adjustments with the wheel. And overall, I think they are really nice. As I've said, you have the option to make all the eye adjustments in this part, the focus and zoom, which I think it's really nice. As I've said, they are compact, so you don't have to worry about anything. They work perfectly. You can see really clearly, and overall, I like them a lot, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.